hey girl, hey everybody. TikTok constantly has new trends coming out with all these different hacks, different recipes, different DIYs, and if I'm being honest, these are my favorite to film. Every TikTok thing I've ever done, like I don't just do it to show you guys, like usually we end up using it after. This is a little dramatic, but I feel like TikTok's actually life-changing. Like these life hacks are it. Tag me in the comments of your guys' favorite TikTok hacks. I will greatly appreciate it. I love these videos. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to click that like button, and without further ado, let's get straight into some TikTok life hacks. Okay, first thing we're gonna try out is this cotton candy ice cream that I saw on TikTok. It's really hot outside and I just want some ice cream. First things first, we're gonna need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And now we're gonna whisk this until we get a stiff peak. So we have a hand mixer. Let's get a stiff peak, girl. You know what, y'all? I think this might be too small, so I'm gonna transfer it into this big ol' bowl. Yep, I think we're good. It's not really falling out. Next up, we're gonna add in sweetened condensed milk. Okay, now we're just gonna fold this in. And if that wasn't sugary enough, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next up, you add in cotton candy flavor, but here's the trick. It was hard to find cotton candy flavor in stores, and I actually searched it up. Apparently, raspberry and vanilla will give you that flavor. This is crazy. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I feel like I do taste that cotton candy. Next up is splitting this in half and dyeing it pink and blue with some food coloring. Now we're gonna put it into a container that's gonna go in the freezer. The way that the TikToker did it was kind of getting like scoops at a time, like so. Lastly, he does like swirling on it, kind of like a marble cake. Perfect. Lastly, we're gonna saran wrap this and pop it in the freezer. We're gonna let it sit in there for 4 to 6 hours. I'll be back in 4 hours. Here it is. Oh, dang, that looks good. Whoa, okay. You guys, are you seeing this? Look how soft. What? This is the most legit ice cream I've ever made. Like actually, no bull. Raspberry and vanilla combined actually tastes like cotton candy. This is crazy. Like legitimate ice cream does not taste homemade. You wanna try it?
Legitimate ice cream. Oh wait.
Do you taste the cotton candy or not?
I do.
Does it taste like cotton candy? Yes. Am I making this again?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next up, we're gonna be upcycling some vases. I saw on TikTok where you take an old vase, just a clear vase, and you just paint them. It's basically gonna make them look like a terracotta vase, which is like a clay vase. So we're taking some vases that I just had in my room, and I'm so excited to actually like decorate with them. For this DIY, all you're gonna need is an old vase, some paint, of course, paintbrushes, y'all, and some cornstarch. Ooh, I think that's gonna be a really pretty color. I'm just eyeballing it with a spoon like this and just mixing it up. So apparently we needed baking powder. So we're actually gonna test this out with a cornstarch and let's hope it works out. I feel like it should. I'm actually gonna go ahead and add the baking powder just because as I am adding it, it does go on a little bit smooth. So I feel like the baking powder is really what gives it that texture. Now that I have one coat on that one, I'm gonna go ahead and put my first coat on this one. This one I'm doing the linen color. It should be like a nice creamy white. And then I'll just keep going back and forth with about 3 to 4 coats. Hello? She's like, what are you doing? This is my niece. Hey girl. She's like, what's going on? I feel like I always have to clarify that they're not my kids because someone's always like, oh, she has a kid? Okay guys, this is what they look like after I let them dry. They actually look really, really good, but this one cracked a lot, which I'm not mad at because I do want it to have that rustic look. It should not look perfect anyway. I am gonna go in with some sandpaper. I'm basically just gonna start sanding down a bit of edges to give it more of a rustic look. And this is how it looks once it's done. Even on its own, I feel like it looks pretty good. And this is the other one. I really like this one. I feel like this would actually be a really cute plant pot, and I just thought of that right now as I said it. You get the idea, right? Oh my gosh, she's actually so freaking cute. Okay, so I saw this TikTok that has 1.4 million likes. So this basically says to use hydrogen peroxide to whiten your teeth. So hydrogen peroxide is that ingredient that's basically in all of these things like toothpaste, mouthwash, and basically anything that we're being sold. They all basically have that one ingredient that whitens your teeth, and that is hydrogen peroxide. And it's much cheaper than any of that. This is all you need. You mix this with water, gargle it, and that's it. I'm assuming people even like brush their teeth with it. This is all you need. I have veneers, like let's be real. I have veneers. I'm gonna have Squishy Bunny, my husband, come on in. I'm gonna have him try this out on his teeth. It says for use as a gargle or rinse. Literally used for that, you guys. So all you need is 1 part hydrogen peroxide and 1 part water. Before, I will say that I don't like the taste that much. It just,
yeah, like something like nasty.
The taste won't leave my mouth and my throat, and it just, it's weird.
Something
They do look like clean.
Yeah.
Like, you definitely feel like it's doing something, but the taste, I cannot get past the taste. But try it out, guys. This TikTok is the one where they show you where a fan rotates both ways, and you might have it on the wrong direction, and instead of cooling your room, it's making it warm. If you guys notice, the blades of the fan are slanted. So depending on what direction it's going, it's either pushing the air down or sucking it up. Didn't you mention something about winter or something in areas that are cold?
So it's really important for people that are in really cold weather. They could be using their fan to keep themselves warm.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
What?
How did it do that?
The TikTok, have you seen it? It's real. Basically, there is a small like switch on every fan. I searched it up, and during winter, you should run your ceiling fan in the clockwise direction. And during summer, you should run your ceiling fans in the counterclockwise direction. So the way you're gonna look at it is you need to look at it like right underneath. It's counterclockwise. So this is turned on for summer right now. It's right. You gotta switch it. Okay, let's turn it on.
Oh, there you go.
So you're not gonna feel a breeze, but it's gonna suck that hot air up.
Oh yeah, I don't see no breeze in your hair at all.
I don't feel a breeze.
¿Quiere para beberse?
Luego para el otro lado hace aire. Oh my god, my dad knew already. You guys, please check your fans. It's summer, girl. I know you're sweating, girl. Check your fans. Okay, I saw a TikTok where somebody upcycled, did a makeover on a mirror. So basically she takes a basic IKEA body mirror and gives it a little makeover. I actually happen to have the exact same body mirror that she's talking about from IKEA. I like it, but it is a little bit basic. It has like these silver edges, and this is just not the vibe anymore. I used to like grays a lot, and I feel like, I mean, I still like them, but I like more of like warm tones. What she did was she turned hers gold with gold leaf. I'm taking inspiration from this TikTok, but I will not be doing the exact same thing that she did. I'm gonna paint the edges white first, and then from there, I actually have a wood stain finish that I'm gonna try to apply with a paintbrush and hopefully give it a wood vibe. And the first thing we're gonna do is cover up the sides and give it a white coat. Okay, so now that we have a coat on there and it is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this wood stain. I know that it's not wood that we're painting, but I feel like if I go in with this, it should kind of give it that look. I can't believe it actually looks like wood. So it is the next day. I let this sit overnight. So it sat for like what, like 10 plus hours. If I could get this wood finish on this, I feel like I could do this to literally anything. Okay, grand reveal. Let's take off all this tape. Love her. Okay, next up, I've seen this bread all over TikTok. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Cloud bread. This bread, one, looks super cool because it's like spongy and fluffy. A lot of people do like pretty colors with it. So today I decided to try it out and do like a rainbow cloud bread. Let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off, we're gonna need a bowl. I have 4 bowls because I'm doing 4 different colors. So we need 3 egg whites. So I'm gonna do that to all 4 bowls. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up until they become frothy. Now we're gonna go in with 2.5 tablespoons of sugar for each. And then we're just gonna mix this in. Then he adds 10 grams of the cornstarch. So it's about a tablespoon from what he says. Boom. So this is when he goes in with food coloring and also a dash of vanilla extract. It also looks like in between each ingredient he mixes, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix it before adding food coloring just to be safe. I'm gonna be using red, yellow, green, and blue. It's definitely a stiff peak. Now that we have all stiff peaks, we're gonna go ahead and start forming it onto our pan. So apparently you literally just flop it on and you kind of just like form it on there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how it looks. Look, I tried to get it as circular as possible. I feel like this should be fine. Now we just pop this in the oven at 300 for 25 minutes. I'm just gonna let this cool down. It looks like it's ready. Oh, like, it's really stuck, yeah.
Let's see, the pan was still hot.
Think it would do that? Oh my god, it's stuck even more.
That's really stuck.
Okay guys, so we took this out. I tried to flip it because, you know, the part at the top, it looked nice and crisp. So I was like, okay, let's unstick the bottom, but let's flip it. This got stuck and the top came off, which sucks. It came off on here. And it sucks because it looks so like put together and I'm just like, what? So this is definitely like a complicated one. I definitely kind of like ruined the top, you know, because like it looks cute when you like break it open. So now I'm like, oh my gosh, this is such a fail right now. So it does look spongy, like cloudy. It's extremely airy, like, no, not airy. Super spongy, like cloud-like, yeah, super spongy. I mean, it's bomb. Like, I would totally make this again. Listen, y'all, I don't know, but I am going to figure this out. Oh, wow, look at that. She looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. We did it, we did it. Let's take a bite. Are you kidding me right now?
Wow.
Oh my god, that tastes like egg.
Is that an egg white? Yeah.
Wait, this one is so much more put together than the other one. Like, I could actually hold this.
Bomb?
This one tastes more like egg than the other one.
Really?
You should be calling candy vibes. This is a success. This was the right way to do it. We put way too little time on the other one, considering that we made such a big batch. We did like double the time this time, almost a whole double, huh? And it turned out great. Wow. And that is it for these TikTok life hacks. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by clicking that like button. Comment down below some crazy life hacks that you guys have seen on TikTok, because girl, there is an endless amount. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.